really can tell the difference after using the rice water for just that one try. My hair does feel a lot thicker and my curls are really defined. They sent me their Mimosu DIY rice water kit and I'm super excited about trying this out. I'll also be using that in my hair, so let's get started. I really like this because it definitely stops all of the hassle and basically the mess that rice water creates. So you don't have to be scraping all of that rice and it's all conveniently in one location. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after I rinse the rice water out. And the first thing I do notice is that my hair is super soft and this feels like it's really thick. My hair feels really good after the rice water. I just styled my hair like I normally did and I really can tell the difference after using the rice water for just that one try. My hair does feel a lot thicker and my curls are really defined. So all in all, I really did enjoy the rice water kit by Beauty Soul. If you don't have enough time to create the rice water, even if you just want something different or if you want something easier to do when it comes to rice water, because making rice water is really tedious and it's also a mess. Just by taking out one of the bags out of here and putting it into some water and then just transferring it into here, I can do that.